Hard disk is installed, caps replaced. It runs fine without the hard disk. So, will the hard disk even spin? Oh. Holy shit, it's spinning! Oh, will it read though? Oh my god, the hard disk actually boots! What? Has somebody put System 7 on this? Oh, that's going to be slow. Let's zoom a little further in. Launcher. Claris works. System software B1 7.5. Yeah, it's got 7.5 on it. Eat me, punk! Chips, Procarca, Percy, G-Slog, Wishwater. What is this? Documents. Stylistics, CV, CV1, CV2, Monkey Tennis. Okay, what's SOC 205? 1994! Yeah, I've got the screen wobble still. Replace all the caps. There must be something else wrong. SOC 205:1. May 1997. Proposal for small-scale research project to investigate how undergraduate students in the first year at Goldsmiths College recognise and deal with stress. Oh god, this is not made for System 7. Right, what the hell is Eat Me Punk? Chips. Okay. What? Organising and running a department. The set for this show has to be built from scratch, so my hands were tied until construction received their materials and could start building things for us to paint. This meant that I could spend my first couple of weeks working on the costing and samples. So, this one's called Procarca. What? This mouse is really slow. Oh, much better. Stencil and wallpaper. To get the correct dimensions for the wallpaper stencil, I boxed off a section of the reference that the designer has used to decorate the model box and took measurements. Well, so what is all this? And why is it called Eat Me Punk? I was expecting something saucy. Percy, P-E-R-E-R-R-C-Y. What? Personal evaluation. The set for The Guide Sisters was the first time I did anything so naturalistic, which, naturally, I was apprehensive about. What is this? Is this a story? Is this drama club? Is it like... What is this? Wishwater? The Guide Sisters, play analysis. So, English literature, drama class? Michael Tremblay is a black social comedy about Q, housewife from Quebec who wins 1 million green shield stamps. So this was created 1997, 19th of November, Tuesday the 25th, at 5:50 AM. So look. Costing, mostly painted. Alright. Again, the folder name. Why? Stylistics. EN 305 Stylistics 2 Fiction Library Paper. How do the linguistic features of the following extract from D.H. Lawrence's The Rainbow evoke a particular mindset? The extract at first appears to be fairly neutral, or opening with the description of material process. The church... Oh god, that font is horrible. Was decorated for Christmas, which locates us in a particular time and... CV. We'll have to blur this out. Fakenham High School, Wells Road, Fakenham, or Fakenham, Norfolk, GCSE. Mathematics C, Science double award BB, English C, French C, Art C, Performing Arts B. September 1992 to 1994. A-level, English Lit and Lang D, Politics D, Performing Arts A. 1995 to 1998. Rose Bruford College, Bachelors with Honours, Scenic Construction in Stage Properties. Mad Market Theatre Norwich, 2 weeks work placement, previous employment, March 1993, so that would have been a placement. Oh yeah, 2 week work placement, I just read it. October 94, September 95, December 95, January 96, March 96, April 96, July 96, September 96, December 96 and January 97. They worked at Safeway. Interest. I enjoy sports, especially swimming and football. I love... Oh god. This computer's not designed for System 7. I enjoy sports, especially swimming and football. I love films and theatre, as well as being a keen reader. My other interests include listening to music, and I am an avid record collector. When was that file made? Oh god, this... Who put System 7 on this? Why is it so slow? Wow. Tuesday the 16th, 19th of June, 1998. Created 11:46 PM? They were doing their CV at 15 to midnight. What on God's green earth is monkey tennis? 2:46 AM. 19th of May, Thursday the 28th, 1998. What on earth? Why is the file called Monkey Tennis? Let's have a look here. Oh, I'm going to have to blur that out. Someone called Alison Crabtree. It's from Alison Crabtree. It's going to somewhere in Deptford in London. Dear Madam, I am writing to inquire about a position as a part-time bookseller in one of your stores. At present, I am completing a degree in theatrical scenery and props at Rose Bruford College of Speech and Drama. I am hard-working and outgoing and feel that I would fit in well with the general atmosphere of the store very well. Please find and enclose a copy of my CV and look forward to hearing from you soon. Yours faithfully... Oh, no, it's just bizarre letter formatting. Yours faithfully, Matthew Hurrell. This was 19th of August, a Monday, 17th, 1998. Oh, that font is awful. Miscellaneous ideas, Felicia's journey, the story of a girl's quest for happiness, identity and freedom, elements of fantasy, set in the future, soundtrack, Joan Armstrong's Love and Affection, UNKLE, Berry Meditation, Company Floor, Last Good Sleep. Is that it? System startup items, scrapbook file. What's in the scrapbook, sir? A horse. A horse and carriage. And a pipe. What? Okay, fair enough. Oh no. Oh no, it's not Y2K compliant. Oh wow, the highest it goes is 2019. Oh. So, there it is. This little computer. Wow. Okay. I'm surprised the hard disk works. I guess I'm installing System 6 then.